हम सब निवेश करते हैं and we are on the road to financial freedom. But have you ever thought what about those who have made our life much more smoother and have yet to start on this particular path? आज मैं एक ऐसा इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडिया लाया हूं विच इज नॉट फॉर यू बट फ्रॉम यू और मुझे इसमें आपका सहयोग चाहिए. माय नेम इज राजेश, योर होस्ट, आपका शुभचिंतक, योर फाइनेंशियल वॉरियर, एंड यू आर ऑन पैसा वसूल. नमस्ते. Our daily routine is extremely smooth, and it is smooth because of certain people in our life. It could be the housemaid, the driver, the gardener, or for that matter, the dhobi. While we all do our investments, what about them? Are they comfortable in their financial journey? When it comes to financial freedom, we are extremely comfortable. But what about them? It is high time that we get their lives comfortable as well. It is time to make a difference in their lives. And this will happen only by Sahyog from all of us to them. Let's make a difference today itself. Have you ever encountered these people coming to you and saying, Madam, थोड़ा सा कुछ पैसा चाहिए, घर में emergency है? It could be a health issue. It could be some family function. What do you do at that point of time? Don't we help them out? But does it end there? How about helping them, which doesn't pinch you, and at the same time help them create some wealth for themselves so that the next time they don't lean upon you for the financial support each and every time? Aren't you interested? हमें ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना. All that we need to do is basically finish some few formalities. 1. KYC. Second, account opening forms need to be signed, and third party declarations need to be signed. बस आपको इतना ही करना है. दिस इज द स्टार्ट एंड द एंड ऑफ इट. इससे ज्यादा और कुछ नहीं करना. बाय डूइंग सो वी विल सून बी ऑन द पाथ ऑफ गिविंग देम द फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम दैट दे ऑल सीक, एंड लाइफ विल बी नॉट ओनली स्मूदर फॉर अस बट ऑल्सो स्मूदर फॉर देम एज वेल. डू रिमेंबर, आपके सहयोग के बिना this particular initiative, which is an industry first initiative, will not be possible. And hence, your support, your sahyog is important to us. Remember, it is a simple procedure of getting your KYCs done, couple of forms signed, that's about it. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका धोबी, the housemaid, don't kind of spread their arms in front of you, आपके आगे हाथ ना फैलाएं from the next time, this is the time that you need to take up and give a call to us. You can connect with us on 98214-34512 or get in touch with me on my Insta handle THiiNK, THiiNKIN, THiiNK. मेरा नाम राजेश है, आपका होस्ट, आपका शुभचिंतक, योर फाइनेंशियल वॉरियर, और आप हैं पैसा वसूल पर. फिर मिलेंगे एक नए पॉडकास्ट के साथ. तब तक नमस्ते.